Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are approaching to the most important week of January, as it is FOMC on Wednesday, and we have the earnings of Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, Apple. So yeah, very important, very busy week, as busy as it gets. And yeah, we'll start from Monday, 8:30 news, and then we have President's Pick on Tuesday. And we have, of course, on Wednesday, Jay Powell. So the post is already priced in 98%. But of course, his page is whatever he says, it's going to be very important because we are still, in this highly volatile, choppy range on all possible ranges. So yeah, this is very kind of an indecision, but yeah, we are in compression levels. And if I open the weekly chart, you can see we are losing this bullish divergence, and currently we are making a bearish one. So yeah, expecting to have some decision after the FOMC. But of course, another thing is the possible new government shutdown until January 31, based on the news of Democrats trying to shut down the government with that ICE problems. And so yeah, it's very complicated right now. But of course, we need to see first of all what Jay Powell says. Yeah, on the daily chart, we are still above this range at this level, which is the bull support to me, but there is a decent chance we can have, so we violate it again. So anything below this level is again very bearish. So we basically made higher highs and lower highs and higher lows. So this is kind of a compression to me. Soon we'll make a decision in our direction. And of course, yeah, we have this major sell side at 24,100, and of course this major supply level at 26. Yeah, so on a 4-hour chart as well, you can see we couldn't manage to take this buy side liquidity. It looks like this Thursday high, if this Thursday high is not gonna reclaimed soon, I think yeah, we are going down to this previous week low, which is at 25,000. But yeah, everything is based on the earnings as well. So we have I think on Wednesday, so Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, this will have a huge impact. And on Thursday, Apple as well. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen on Wednesday. So with FOMC, with all these earnings, yeah, very important week. My bias is looking like there is a chance, like 50% and more chance, that we already saw the high of 2026 to me. But of course, everything can change. So this chart is no longer too bullish to me, as we are losing that momentum. You can see from these tariff lows, basically that tariff panic lows, we had all the way down, all the way up, and currently still holding that 21 EMA, of course, on a weekly chart. But it looks like we are losing the momentum on a weekly chart. So if that's the case, we can have a very sharp correction in this year, as low as basically 20 grand. But yeah, we will see. Well, I don't expect that huge collapse everybody or most of the people are speaking about in 2026. Yeah, midterm volatility, short-term correction from 20 to 30% is possible, but apart from that, I don't expect that huge collapse or huge reset or AI bubble or anything like that, as we are yet to create that real AI bubble. So the economy is growing, all the numbers are good, unemployment is going down. So yeah, GDP is way above the expectations. So yeah, the economy is still doing okay to me, and there is no reason to panic. So moving to Bitcoin, so very important and very important chart right here. So we lost the momentum on the daily chart. Let's start from the weekly. Okay, so we had attached to bull market support band. We had this bearish weekly engulfing candle right now, which is about to close in 5 hours. Very bearish to me on a daily chart as well. So we had this inversion level, and we have this bearish fair value gap already closed. So this high at 91,200 is the level to reclaim for the bulls if we want to have another leg up. But I think that's not a good probability, as we had this deviation from this range and engulfing candle on a weekly chart, very bearish. So soon we will see, first of all, 80,500 liquidity taken, and this major sell side from 2025 April will be taken as well. So yeah, very bearish chart on Bitcoin, and same as Ethereum as well. So yeah, we had this tap of the bull market support band on a daily chart. This daily bearish fair value gap is still open. So if whether we're gonna have another tap here before the major leg down, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll definitely target this sell side liquidity very soon. And there is, last time I said there is 10% chance of making a new all-time high, and now I'm telling you below 3%. So basically there is no new all-time high for Ethereum from this point. At least for the incoming 2 years. Yeah, on a daily chart, you can see we had this compression, this fake out, and then yeah, we are below the zero level as well. So the momentum is clearly very bearish, and the target of the sell side sooner or later it's coming. So Ethereum Bitcoin chart for those who are trading altcoins. So yeah, nothing positive for you. This is the 2025 open, and we are right below this December and yearly open levels on Ethereum Bitcoin. So this level is gonna be taken, and the major reaction level for me on this chart is this weekly box. Whether we can have one more push from here to the upside, which remains to be seen. So from this weekly inversion level, we had upside momentum. So I think maybe one more push after we tapped this box, but of course, yeah, I don't expect anything bigger. So this cycle is completely different, and all those gold, silver, and the metals are having their bull market, and I don't expect the real risk on assets to perform in the same level. So yeah, as I said, nothing positive, nothing bullish. So this is a downtrend basically, and as you know, the trend is your friend. So you can't fight the trend. So moving to volatility. Yeah, the VIX looks like had the double bottom at 15.2, very important level. You can see we had this volume balance at 17, which is going to be closed. I think we're going to have the gap up on the FOMC and the government shutdown news. So yeah, you can see this 21 to 21.8 level is the supply area. I will expect to have one more push to the upside from 20 to 21 to see the reaction, whether the volatility will stay compressed, which I'm not sure about, to be honest. Um yeah, so we had the old possible gaps closed below. So 13.5 was the lowest level. We closed that gap, and yeah, I think we're gonna have another spike on volatility wise this week, regardless. But Microsoft. Remember that Microsoft and Apple and Tesla and Meta are having their earnings, and that they can simply crash the volatility again, and we have a short squeeze if the numbers are good. So yeah, very very important week. Uh, uh, I think we need to be very very careful with what Powell says, and the government shutdown narrative until January 31 is still intact. Kalshi is pricing, giving a 71% chance, the prediction markets, the poly market and Kalshi. So yeah, expecting that short-term volatility to be back this week, and after that we'll see how things develop and how Powell will direct us to see what's going to happen with the Nasdaq. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very important week. I think after this week there is a chance um, we can have a decision, and finally we can leave this channel up to the upside or to the downside. It remains to be seen. So thank you so much, and let's make some money this week. Bye.